Alright guys, I'm uploading a video and this might be my last ever YouTube short that I will ever make. Because there's a hurricane in North Carolina and it has caused a tornado. And as you in my house, it was originally daytime. It has gotten super dark and I don't know what's gonna happen. This might be my last ever video, so I'll see you guys soon, maybe. I'm sorry, Mama. Maybe I'll see you guys, but I don't know what's about to happen right now. I'm extremely scared. We're all in the closet. I don't know who my mom is or my baby brother is. I think she's coming, or my baby brother. But yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen next. And if you're going through this, I feel bad for you. I'm sorry. This might be my last ever video that I'll ever make. So, bye. See you another time. Hopefully. Mom.